Hey, what's up? It's Elizabeth from Allrecipes. I'm about to make some macaroni and cheese. There are so many different ways to make it and everyone's got their secret family recipe, but Anthony Porowski in Queer Eye said a mac and cheese is something that can actually be so personal. So with that in mind, I'm gonna make macaroni and cheese for one. I'm not feeding a big family or anything, so this is the perfect dish to satisfy all of my cheesy cravings. Let's get started. So you're going to start by cooking a cup of elbow macaroni in a pot of lightly salted boiling water. You're gonna let that go for about 8 minutes or the lower number on the box. While that's cooking, we're gonna get started on our sauce. Heat up another pan and add in 2 tablespoons of butter, melt that all down, then whisk in a tablespoon of flour until it's all well combined. Next, you're gonna gradually pour in 3/4 of a cup of fat-free half and half, whisking to make sure everything is nice and smooth and creamy. Let that thicken for about 3 minutes, and then you're gonna add in 3/4 of a cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of dry mustard powder, a pinch of ground black pepper, and a pinch of ground turmeric. One of the reviews of this recipe said that if you don't have dry mustard powder, regular mustard works just the same. You're gonna mix all of this together until it's all smooth and creamy. Drain your pasta and pour it right into the sauce, mixing it all up so all of those noodles get nice and coated in that yummy cheese sauce. You can be done and enjoy your mac and cheese right now, or you can do what I'm gonna do and take it up another level by putting some breadcrumbs and cheese on the top of it and baking it in the oven so it gets a nice golden brown crust. This tastes exactly like the mac and cheese I used to have at summer camp growing up. Wow, it's crazy how comfort foods like this can just take you back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below with your favorite way to make mac and cheese, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.